A subcondition of the two sides and non-included angle is provided in each row of the following table. Decide whether the information determines a unique triangle. You can answer with yes, no, or maybe. For a case that may not determine a unique triangle, you will answer maybe. The first one, two sides and a non-included 90-degree angle. We found in class today that a 90-degree angle only allowed for one triangle. So, yes, they are unique. Two sides and an acute non-included angle. This one is a maybe. We haven't tried every single acute angle, so it might. Two sides and a non-included 140-degree angle. Yesterday we also saw, or today in class I guess, we also saw that the 140-degree angle or an obtuse angle will make a triangle, a unique triangle. 4, two sides and a non-included 20-degree angle, where the side next to the angle is shorter than the side that is opposite of the angle. And this one is very specific, and the answer is yes. The placement of this one does help us determine that they are unique or identical. Number 5, two sides and a non-included angle. It's not specific enough about what that angle is, so maybe, but we're not for sure. We're not too sure. Two sides and a non-included 7-degree angle, where the side next to the angle is longer than the side opposite the angle. And this one is no. 4, choose one condition from the table in problem 3 that does not determine a unique triangle and explain why. So the only one that we know is not is number 6. Two sides and a non-included angle would be written as side-side angle. The 70-degree angle, where the side adjacent to the angle is longer than the side opposite of it, gives us two possible triangles. Number 5, choose one condition from the table that does determine a unique triangle. That first one, side-side angle with a 90-degree angle, gives only one possible triangle. Because the circle or the arc only crosses in one spot.